We'll guide you through how to create a Wix website using the Wix website builder. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and click on Get Started to create an account or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, you'll see a button that says Create New Site. Click on that and you'll be asked to choose the type of website you want to create. This could be a business site, an online store, a portfolio, or whatever suits your needs. After choosing, you'll have two main options: letting the Wix ADI, or Artificial Design Intelligence, create a website for you based on a few questions, or using the Wix editor for more customization. If you choose the Wix editor, you'll start with a template. There are hundreds to choose from, so take your time to pick one that fits your vision. Once you've selected a template, click Edit. Now you're in the Wix editor where you can customize your site. You can click on any element like text, images, or buttons to change them. Use the left sidebar to add new elements like galleries, videos, or contact forms. Want to change the color scheme or fonts? Go to the Design section in the toolbar. Don't forget to check the mobile view by clicking the mobile icon at the top, ensuring your site looks great on all devices. If you want to add additional pages, go to the Pages menu and click Add Page. You can also use the Wix App Market to add more functionalities like booking systems or chat widgets. Once you're happy with your design, click Preview to see how it looks live. If everything looks good, hit Publish in the top right corner to make your site go live. Before you publish, you'll be prompted to either connect a domain or use a free Wix domain. Choose what works best for you. And there you have it. Your Wix website is now live and ready to be shared with the world. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.